quite some time, Twitch was the only major streaming platform. Creators like Sodapoppin, Pokemon, Ninja, and Shroud brought millions of users to Twitch. But then came Kick, a competitor to Twitch. The sad news is only a few people know about it since it only came out in 2022. However, the good news is that you have enough time to make it big on the platform without facing much competition. Let's focus on the positive, shall we? You can make money on Kick just like on Twitch by streaming, getting donations, doing brand sponsorships, etc. Let us take you through it step by step. Making money on Kick. The Kick Creator platform is the club you have to join to start making money on the platform. Thankfully, Kick is not as difficult to crack as YouTube monetization. All you need is 5 hours of streaming and 75 followers. If you have that, you can start making money. Kick has a 95/5 revenue share. You get 95% while the platform takes the remaining 5%. Pretty fair if you ask us. As for the donations from your subscribers, you get 100%. Again, we like it. The verification process. Once you meet the creator requirements, the next step is to get verified. You'll have to pass the platform's security requirements first. It's pretty basic. You'll need to verify your phone number. Also, you must enable two-factor authentication. It's standard stuff. After that, follow these steps to start making money. Get 20 subscribers in 30 days. Maintain a viewership of 75 viewers in 30 days. Stream for a minimum of 30 hours in 30 days. Stream for a minimum of 12 days within 30 days. Engage with 300 different chatters in 30 days. Like any other platform, Kick wants you to be active. The more active you are, the more money you can make. 4 ways to make money on Kick. Many people are under the false impression that streamers only make money off streaming. That's not true. Streams alone wouldn't explain why Ninja, a popular Twitch streamer, has an estimated net worth of $5.42 million. It's evident that streamers have other sources of income too. What are they? Number 1. Stream on Kick. Obviously, the first method to make money is to stream on Kick. The platform is in the process of rolling out a feature that lets you earn $16 an hour if you stream for 30 days a month. You must stream for at least 4 hours per day and interact with chatters during this time. Also, you shouldn't be sleeping or off camera. Your face should always be visible to the audience. Let's do some rough calculations. Suppose you stream 4 hours a day for the whole month. That's 120 hours. If you get paid $16 an hour, you make $1,920 per month. That's if you only stream for 4 hours. If you stream for longer hours, you can make more money. Number 2, post your streams on YouTube. Almost every streamer also has a YouTube channel because they repurpose their content for the platform. You can do the same. You don't even have to edit your streams to make them shorter or more entertaining. Instead, use an AI highlight generating tool like Eclipse. It will automatically highlight the best moments of your streams and compile them into a YouTube video. All you have to do is post the video to YouTube and respond to the comments to engage with your audience. You can also upload full streams to YouTube depending on the viewer's demand. Number 3, earn tips and donations. If people like your content, they won't mind paying you a mere $5 a month. Suppose you have 10,000 subscribers. Even if 100 of them donate $5, you earn an extra $500 per month. Now, do the math on a larger scale for a bigger audience. There's a huge potential for earnings here. You don't have to be a Kick partner to get donations either. Instead, you can share your PayPal details with subscribers. Encourage followers to send donations so that you can keep making entertaining content for them. Number 4, do brand sponsorships. Once you have a large enough following, brands will want to sponsor you. Take the example of Ninja, who signed a multi-year deal with Adidas back in 2019. The Twitch streamer had previously partnered with Red Bull and Samsung too. You can imagine the kind of money he had rolling in. No wonder he's a millionaire. You can get to the same level provided you have a substantially sized audience. We wouldn't recommend sticking to Kick alone. Focus on YouTube too. While you're at it, build a personal brand too. For example, you can create a website selling memberships or an Instagram account with millions of followers. Brands would like to work with you if they see you have a significant influence on the digital space. Also, stick to a niche. For example, if you make gaming content, stay consistent. Gaming and tech brands will notice you soon enough and reach out for partnerships. How much can you earn with Kick? According to our calculations above, the minimum you can make off Kick is $1,920, but that's just the beginning. There are a ton of opportunities to make money. For example, if your YouTube channel takes off, the ad revenue will start pouring in. Likewise, as your audience size increases, brands will want to sponsor your YouTube videos or partner with you. All in all, there's no limit to how much money you can make through Kick. Making it big on any platform takes time and consistency. The same is true for Kick. Now, go kick it and make some money. But before you do, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.